Hello, artists. Today is the grand opening of the Collage Studio. Remember, we have the opportunity to open many different studios. So far, you've earned drawing and collage. Collage is a new word. What does it mean? Collage is a type of creating that combines various materials like paper and fabric with glue and tape to create amazing art. Within the collage studio, you can find a bunch of art materials like staplers, tape, liquid glue, glue sticks, scissors, fancy scissors, and different types of hole punches. We also have an enormous assortment of different types of paper. So let's talk about all this paper. You can use the paper that you need and want for your art. But please put back what you didn't need so that another artist can use it another time. Please only use your fair share. Let's not be wasteful. There are some collage tools. Meeker artists need to be safe, thoughtful, and responsible with these tools. When using tape, let's talk about being safe and thoughtful. One way to begin is holding your hand on the tape dispenser and using your other hand to pull the tape off. It works really well when you pull the type off at a diagonal. When you pull it straight down like this, it's hard for it to tear. But when I pull it off to the side diagonally, then it rips easily. Staplers. Let's use staplers on the table. They're really hard to use in the air. We put our paper underneath, squish it down, two hands to push the stapler closed. Ta-da! Now my paper is stapled. The next tool we're going to talk about is the liquid glue bottles. At the top, there's an orange lid that twists, and then there's a gap between the orange and the white. Twist the orange back down and wipe off the glue when you're done. A hole punch is a thing that puts holes in your paper. Look, there's a little flat piece and then a space underneath. That is where you slide the paper in. Then squeeze, use two hands, squeeze some more to punch a hole through your paper. Shape punching tools look very different, but they actually work very similar to a hole puncher. You can see the shape that you're going to punch underneath and on top, and then there's an open spot where we put the paper in. Put everything on the table, two hands, push down, and you've cut the shape out of your paper. Oftentimes, when artists are making collages, they will have extra scraps. My rule is if the scrap is smaller than your hand, you can just throw it away. But if it's bigger than your hand and there's no holes in it, you can put it in a scrap paper drawer. The paper should be put away to match what the drawer color is.
That was my understanding.
Sometimes you'll use a piece of paper just a little bit. There's maybe a little bit of art on it. You can put that paper into the Goose or the Oops paper drawer. Remember, to earn a grand opening of a new studio, everybody in our class needs to work hard and make art. We need to be kind to ourselves and to others. Cleanup needs to be spectacular, and we need to be respectful of the room, the teachers, and all of our tools. The next studio you could earn is the painting studio. Focus on these four things today so you can earn the grand opening of painting.